Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from veganchoicefoods.com, and from the City Smile on My Face family. You know, it's an exciting time, and it's a curious time for me, guys. And as you know, God is nature, and nature is God, family. Today is a very special day. As you know, family, my wife, Alkaline is the hospital that we're going with, and I'm heading out there right now. And as you can see, family, we have all the medical records here. And as you know, guys, she's putting on her clothes at the moment, and as you can see, she's ready. And what you say?
Wow, I'm so happy. I'm in short of words because today is a very, very beautiful day for us. At least we're gonna know what I'm carrying. I'm pregnant, so but we are suspecting it's a girl. We'll wait and see if the scan will prove us right or wrong.
As you can see, the belly
quite big, right?
it's quite big. It's like 5 months today, family. So let's see if Ankeru is right. Let's see if Ankeru, nature is God and God is nature. But we're still gonna test it to see if I am right, I am wrong.
As the doctor said,
we suspect.
Scan.
We were still, Africa is full of spirituality, and we know we can tell, So we'll just wait and see if I am wrong or I'm right. I'm very excited, and I'll be disappointed if it's a boy because I'll be wrong. But I want a boy, I want a boy. So I want a boy. Waiting to see if nature is God and God is nature, right here live, family. So we're going out, and what you have the cup of water bottle right here, family. And as you know, if you're actually, pregnant and stuff, you want to have a lot of minerals, and copper and gold, if you have those minerals around you, are those those are very high potent minerals that you need, that feed the body with minerals that you don't get from food. So this is a very good thing to have around you. It fight radiation, and as you know, in the digital economy with Wi-Fi and internet around us and stuff. Right? So we're heading out. I'm gonna put on my shoes and get dressed, family. So and see what the scan holds, because we're gonna take
fast scan. From one of the best hospitals in Kenya, Alkaline University Hospital.
So that's where we're going now, guys, and we're gonna take you on the journey. If you have a like and subscribe, share this, because this is like a family-based channel right now. We're teaching health and preaching health. So she's pregnant right now. She's been taking the sea moss, the okra juice. This is an alkaline vegan baby from the start, guys. So we want you to do the same thing. So when your baby come out, your baby is so genius. You want to create only genius family. And if you feed him with man-made food and processed food, it's gonna be a harder work for you as a parent. But when you have a genius baby, you need to do nothing more than just grow it up, because everything is already in the brain, family. So we want to do that, and we want to preach and teach that, and impact the family, impact the world with basic health, guys. So
you forgot to tell them something. I noticed my diet drastically changed. It's like the baby literally took after the dad. The dad is purely vegan, and apparently I don't want all these processed foods. I'm just taking purely vegan. It's like the baby is just vegan from the word go. So
yeah,
it's
all natural, not enhanced, family. So you can do the same. You just need to know the right foods.
Something my face,
and you can check.
And,
and when most mothers, they're pregnant, swell face and a lot of bumps and stuff, So yeah. So let's put on your bag and let's go. Put on your bag and let's. Okay, family, so I'm gonna put on my shoes. Let's get on my bag here. So So family, so let me show you guys how to get a bolt in Kenya. I know you guys don't maybe have bolt in Jamaica yet. So let me show you guys how to catch a bolt. How to catch a bolt in Nairobi family, how to catch a bolt. But I don't want this video to be too long, so let me just stop it right now. So as you can see guys, the bolt is actually 6 minutes away. As you can see, 6 minutes away, the bolt is 6 minutes away. Pull up your socks and steer your career. You know I said this hot song gone clear. Last year me cold, but this year me hotter. Yeah fam, just putting on my shoes to get going to see what this baby is. Girl or boy? Girl me say. Alright family, so we're heading out now to see if this is a boy or a girl. And Keru say it's a girl. It's a girl. So we're heading out family, we're heading out. Heading out, heading out. Heading out, heading out. Heading out. Anxious, can't wait. Yeah, family, so we are down, down, and heading out. As you can see, the bolt is right here coming. Yeah family, so we're actually in the bolt right now, heading to Alkaline. There's a little traffic on the road family, traffic is on the road at the moment. So we're just going and waiting. This is a boy or a girl. Girl me say. Girl me say. Yeah family, so we actually reached. That's the hospital over there, Alkaline Hospital. So we're heading inside now. Alright family, so we're at the hospital right now and we're going up to see the doctor. See if it's a boy or a girl. Boy or girl. Remember.
Okay. Oh, ni sawa hata ashastopisha. You said when we pass. So family, I'm at the reception already, as you can see. And well, the place is so organized. Well, my token number has been called, so I'm already at the reception, giving out my hospital card and waiting for the receipt so that my file can be taken to the doctor's office, and then I wait for my number to be called. Well, as you can see, the reception is so organized, like there are seats, you know, you don't have to come and stand and I don't know what, you know, just come, write the doctor where you're going to see your doctor, and yeah, they give you a ticket number, you wait, you be called, again you wait again, you know, so that's it. So this is the walkway, looking for consultation room number 8, so that you know, I can see what it is.
Great, and the due date was matching, so that's fine. Thank you. Now everything is done. So it was corresponding to your date, so all was well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we go to the review.
Yeah. I mean, I'll book an appointment in 4 weeks. So you don't have to come back here today if all is well on the scan.
Okay.
Yeah. You just come in 4 weeks and we check you as normal.
Alright.
We will
Come back. Okay, family. So we actually finished with the
Consultation of the doctor, been sent to the radiology department.
okay. So now we're going to actually do the scan, the ultrasound to check if it's a
Agenda.
boy or a girl.
In a few, we'll let you know.
Yeah, family. So we are back. And we had where we at?
We are at
We're at the hospital.
yeah, we're
Alkaline.
still at the hospital.
Yeah, so
We are outside. I'm trying to get some vitamin C, right?
vitamin D.
Yeah.
Well, they
everything.
call it vitamin D, but it's just a name they give it. But it's just, you know, it's just natural for you to come
Just
and
like vitamin
get
C,
this.
it's vitamin D.
Yeah.
So we are waiting for my appointment at the radiology department to do my scan. But yes, we've already seen the doctor. My baby is doing well. Heartbeat is checked. Everything is nice. I'm so happy. Yeah, as a mom. So we can't wait for 1:40 p.m. right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
that's when
140 will actually know if it's a girl or a boy. Girl, me say. So we're gonna hear what Babylon system said.
yeah, what the scan
I want to
will
see
say.
if, you know, as I said, nothing beat nature, so we're just waiting to see if it's a girl or a boy. So, for your experience, actually the service here in Alkaline.
All the services are so good. It's recommended, and you know, I just like how the doctors are so patient with you. You cannot just come out of the road and just come and see any doctor. You have your personal doctor who will take you from, you know, the first trimester until the baby is in your arms. And they're keeping track of you. They check up on you every now and then. They call you, ask you how you're feeling, how the baby is doing. Yeah, I just love their services. And even waiting, it's not like you go and stand on the road. There is a very big section will show you where you can wait and wait for your next visit or the next appointment. So everything, I love everything about Jamaican.
Yeah, what I like, if you're a foreigner and you want to, you know, you want to give birth, you're in Kenya, whatever, it's so happy that you're giving, you know, giving birth is very, so I love it, I like it, because, you know, you go just pay for one package, you know, and you just go to the clinic until, you know, everything is finished, and that's it. And so, you know, I am rooting for a water birth, so we'll be doing a water birth family. So that's what we will be doing. Water birth, you know, it's so crazy, you know, I see, you know, a lot of females getting the C-section and stuff.
Ladies, I'll advise you not to do a C-section. You know, the people who choose actually want to do a cesarean section, it's not good. Imagine it's a wound, it's a permanent wound for your body, and it's just a first child, or even if it's a last child. I mean, not unless you are having a very bad complication that will really cause, well, or the doctor will recommend for a cesarean section. Ladies, don't go for that thing.
Yeah, family, so if you're giving birth in Kenya as a foreigner, Alkaline is the place.
They have water bath. We told them that.
Yeah. So, guys, I'm out, and we're just waiting to see what it will be. Yeah. The sun is really nice here, we're getting some sun. And we experience it. Okay, family. So we find this beautiful background, this beautiful flowers right here. It's so beautiful and so nice. As you can see, guys, this is the Alkaline. It's a very beautiful hospital. It's so beautiful. As you can see, it's so beautiful. So beautiful.
So we should be heading to the
Yeah, to the reception. Family, so we're actually at the spot with the red ultrasound. Before you can do an ultrasound, family, you got to make sure your bladder is it's full. So she's drinking her water right there to make sure that the bladder is full, so she can do the ultrasound. So, you know, drinking water from a copper bottle. Yeah. Yeah, family. So result is out. It's a boy that I always want, but
But you're surprised and
I'm
shocked.
surprised and shocked. But I have my reason why. We could actually suspect that it was a boy.
That's why I am as well.
So it's a boy, family. It's a boy.
Are you having to do that?
It's a boy. Okay, baby Ankeru. So we have the boy. We have the name already, right? What's the name?
The big mesh.
Mesh. So that's the name. We have the name and everything already. So
Yes, I'm gonna come.
you're not surprised. It's a boy. Yeah. So guys, we finished with the appointment now. And
He thought it's a girl because he was saying, oh, I love him so much, like extra love. So now I know that's my own, not for the baby. So he was so surprised to know it's a boy, but he thought it's a girl. So
yeah guys, so we're happy. I am happy. It's a boy. I'll get a boy to run around with. So I'm
I'll be
happy.
left alone in the house.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So we're here. As you can see, this is Aga Khan.